By using 10 separate planes, 217 skydivers were able to jump and create numerous formations in the sky together. These fishermen in Alaska were on the docks when the unexpected happened.
He's right there now. He's coming up right here, dude.
This is what it looks like when a paper towel absorbs water and space.
Almost like you had jello on your hands or gel on your hand, and it'll just stay there. Wonderful moisturizer on my hands.
This crocodile was having a bad day because the same thing happened earlier. This person discovered that you can create some incredible woodworking art by using crayons. This person made a time-lapse video showing how rain falls from clouds. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.